Okay, good to all. Respected ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk something about the funny teaching second part. I want to start second part about from learning now. We go to talk about it. WHSO questions and answers. What is it? Not only it, this, that, these, are those, what are those, are these, are those. I am talking about that matters. What is it? At first, I give some example. What is it? When you ask other person with action, with acting, what is it? Give the answer. It is an apple. It gives chance to funny happiness the students who are learning, who are teaching that person also interested, who are learning that person also interested. First of all interest, then they 50% meaning they understand about it. They create themselves, herself, themselves, itself. It is its attitude. So that in this way, first of all, we learn what is it. In this way, what is this? You give the answer. This is an apple. It indicates apple. It means this, that. All are indicate. They understand. It has not need to its translation. This action gives the translation. What is it? What is this? What is that? That means what? Your action indicate that. What is that? That is means for. That is an apple. It is in meaning in this you are teaching. Not only apple. When they know easily, clearly apple with action, they can create themselves. Not need to you have teach more thing. If only you teach that better, clearly students can create themselves, himself, herself. In this way, if you teach in this way, it is very easy to teach. I am requesting all of you, okay. In this way, I have product some books, videos, training, A to Z, chapter according to clear, which easy. In this way, we can use video which I have prepared, which you can use your students. You use does matter method. You make your students and your show them their which has made by them when they look them self which are prepared themselves, they look interested, they look interestedly, they cleared which are mistake that find out themselves. You talk about, we talk about it. You not there are mistake. You start to talk about it and inform them. We make again correct it. I want to talk, my dear all students and created and leader and leading capacity. All of you one by one practice it. Okay, we go to talk about it and practice it. Oh, my dear, we are going practice it. How to use it? This method. Look that. You first of all you say, my dear mommy. It makes easy and interested. My dear daddy. It makes easy. When you talk, use mommy, they are interested. Mommy is very near person. So that first of all use mommy. When they are practices, they are clear it, they can use mommy, daddy, uncle, auntie, brother, sister, etc. My dear friend, my dear Ram, Syam, Gita, Sita, Gita. They can create themselves. It is a very easy method. So that you first of all choose that key sentences, Q method. You can, if you choose the key sentence, you have prepared the Q sentence, all person know very easy to teach. Okay. Now I am stopping my speech today. Other day I will talk about it again, third part. Okay. Thanks. Bye. First of all of you practice to laugh. It gives energy us. It gives energy our all cells. If our all body, our all cells are active, we can do everything in the world. Not only there, this village, this village, he, she, they. You can use, you can help, you can relate it one other in the world's woman, world's person. So that I am requesting all of you, please follow me, come with me. If you are practicing, I am challenging it. You practice 4-5 days. How what you get benefit? Please reply me. If you have not benefit, I stop with my matter. If you get benefit, I increase this matter. Okay. Bye. Good boy. Bye.